Most people are slowly destroying their metabolism by eating 3 meals a day, and the giant food corporations are laughing all the way to the bank while you stay tired, bloated, and inflamed. You've been told that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but that is one of the most expensive lies ever told to humanity. What if I told you that by simply stopping the constant flow of food, your body unlocks a hidden superhuman mode that can repair your DNA and incinerate fat while you sleep? But there is one specific hour during a 24-hour fast where your body triggers a biological reset so powerful it can actually reverse signs of cellular aging. And if you break your fast even 60 minutes too early, you miss the entire payoff. I'm going to reveal exactly when that golden hour happens and how you can trigger it today. Welcome to Healify Hub, where we peel back the curtain on what's actually happening inside your machine. You might know it as OMAD, 1 meal a day. To some, it sounds like a form of torture. To the elite performers, biohackers, and our ancient ancestors, it's the ultimate cheat code for longevity and mental clarity. But what actually happens to your heart, your brain, and your gut when you stop eating for 24 hours? Let's track it hour by hour. The journey starts at hour 1. You've just finished your one big, glorious meal. Your body is in the postprandial state. Right now, your system is flooded with glucose. Your pancreas is pumping out insulin like a fire hose to manage the sugar spike. All your energy is being diverted to your gut. This is why you feel that heavy, sluggish food coma. Your body is working overtime just to process what you put in. By hour 4, the sugar high is over. Your blood sugar starts to level off, but your insulin levels are still high. This is the danger zone. This is when the cravings hit. Your brain is used to getting a hit of dopamine from food every few hours, and it starts screaming for a snack. You aren't actually hungry. Your brain is just throwing a temper tantrum because its favorite toy was taken away. Now we hit hour 8. This is where the magic starts to flicker to life. Your blood sugar has finally returned to a baseline. But here's the kicker. Because you haven't eaten, your insulin levels finally start to drop. As long as insulin is high, your body is physically incapable of burning fat. It's like trying to open a safe while the lock is jammed. But at hour 8, the lock turns. Your body begins to look for other energy sources. By hour 12, you've entered the transition phase. You have burned through the easy access glucose in your bloodstream. Now your body moves to the liver to tap into glycogen, which is basically your backup battery of stored sugar. You might feel a bit irritable or hangry here. That is your body realizing the free ride is over. It's a survival mechanism. Your senses actually start to sharpen because evolutionarily, this is when you would need to go out and hunt. Between hour 14 and 16, you hit the ketosis bridge. This is the holy grail for weight loss. Your glycogen stores are running low, and your body is forced to do something it hates doing. It starts breaking down body fat into ketones. Ketones are a premium fuel source. Unlike the dirty energy of sugar that causes crashes, ketones are like high-octane jet fuel for your brain. The brain fog lifts. You feel a strange, calm energy. You're no longer a sugar burner. You've officially become a fat-burning machine. But we are just getting started. At hour 18, we reach the golden window I mentioned earlier. This is the moment your body triggers autophagy. The word literally translates to self-eating. It sounds terrifying, but it is the most beautiful thing your body can do. Think of your cells like a kitchen. Over years of eating and living, the kitchen gets cluttered with broken appliances and expired food. Autophagy is the professional cleaning crew that comes in. Your body identifies old, damaged, and even precancerous proteins and cellular parts, breaks them down, and recycles them into brand new healthy components. This is biological decluttering at the highest level. If you eat a snack now, the cleaning crew drops their tools and leaves. You have to stay the course. By hour 20, your growth hormone levels are skyrocketing, sometimes by as much as 2,000%. Why?
because your body is trying to protect your muscle mass and bone density while you're in a fasted state. This is why people who eat once a day often look younger and leaner. You aren't just losing weight, you are chemically upgrading your structural integrity.
Between hour 22 and 24, you reach stem cell regeneration. Recent studies suggest that prolonged fasting can actually trigger the production of new stem cells, especially in the immune system. Your body is literally rebuilding its defense force from scratch. You are at peak mental performance. Your focus is laser-like. You have reached the God mode of human physiology. You might be thinking, there's no way I can go 24 hours without food. But here's the secret. The hunger isn't a straight line that keeps getting worse. It's a wave. It peaks, and then it vanishes. When you hit that 24-hour mark and sit down for your meal, you aren't just eating for taste anymore. You're fueling a high-performance vehicle that just went through a deep tissue detox. The standard 3 meals a day lifestyle keeps you in a constant state of digestion, never allowing the cleaning crew to do their job. You're living in a cluttered kitchen. By switching to OMAD, even just a few times a week, you give your body the space to heal itself in ways no medicine can match. The transition won't be easy. The first 3 days feel like a war. But on day 4, when the inflammation disappears, your skin clears up, and your energy stays constant from sunrise to sunset, you'll realize that the food industry didn't want you to know how powerful you actually are when you're empty. If you're ready to stop being a slave to your fridge and start reclaiming your true human potential, you need to be part of the community that actually understands how the body works. Join the top 1% who are taking control of their biology by hitting that subscribe button right now. At Healify Hub, we don't just follow trends, we follow the science of survival. Are you brave enough to skip your next meal and see what your body is truly capable of? The golden hour is waiting for you.